intelligence, responsible AI. How does these terms are associated with ServiceNow, and how does AI currently looks like in ServiceNow?
Thank you, ma'am. So I will definitely help you out in that.
Yeah.
So Now Assist is a offering from ServiceNow, which is kind of catering to their need of AI into the system and how they are kind of handling that. So AI became quite a buzzword thanks to OpenAI with their
Yes.
ChatGPT. Way back in October 2022, it became a buzzword right from there and then itself only. So you know, with AI, any and almost like I mentioned this earlier in the introduction section of our webinar itself only, ServiceNow is one of the platform that has kind of integrated AI into their, you know, product suite, into their product offering. In a way, it kind of unremarkable. Only some of the companies have been able to do that, and ServiceNow is one of them. So with Now Assist platform, you get all the AI capabilities within the platform itself only, whether it's generative, whether it's predictive. You can integrate it, into your workflows, into your processes. You can leverage different type of scenarios. You can bring in your own, data model as well. You can bring in the data from different storages as well. When I say storage, different platform, different system, different uh, storage, I should say, MySQL, all of that, and you can leverage it for your own benefit in your processes within ServiceNow platform itself only. So that is Now Assist platform for you in ServiceNow. We will be seeing demo of Now Assist in our upcoming webinars. And then we have AI agents. So AI agents are basically what the name suggests, like agents which do certain tasks for you, for your certain businesses, workflows, for your business certain scenarios. AI agents is built on top of Now Assist. So Now Assist is a platform which allows you to do a lot of things. AI agents are pre-built agents on top of Now Assist platform itself only, which you can leverage. So they can leverage. It can be leveraged into your ITSM into your change request piece. They can learn from your service catalog, from your knowledge base, and resolve the scenarios automatically, assign the right people automatically. So just giving you a high level understanding what can be done with AI agents. Then we have responsible AI. So responsible AI is one of the key things that we need to kind of look at. Responsible AI allows ServiceNow to keep things human centric. When I say human centric, the data is grounded and the responses that they are providing are much more human like, and they are not hallucinating because all of that is grounded to the data that is there inside ServiceNow itself only. So ServiceNow is just one single platform. In our initial slide, if you remember, it's just one single platform with one database, with one single source of truth. So AI can be integrated into it because all of that is in just one platform itself only. So AI is implemented in a way where it's responsible, it is grounded to the data, and we have guardrails which ensures the responses that you get are the right one and they are not hallucinating and they are not giving us incorrect answers of those scenarios.
Got it. I think when we say future, we also need to, very quickly understand how does the future landscape for ServiceNow looks like. So, sir, what are, some of the key trends or innovations that, ServiceNow currently is focused in the future? At the same time, I also want you to what advice would you have for business owners into ServiceNow, or who are, who might after this webinar might think of, moving forward with ServiceNow, whether they should go for it or not?
Definitely, you should go for ServiceNow if you are looking to kind of manage these things which we have been discussing. It's a great platform. You should definitely look into it, and it will really help you bring out the value that you are missing out on. If I talk about what ServiceNow is kind of looking at on a broader perspective, ServiceNow is looking at expanding more onto the AI piece. Definitely, as any other company, they are kind of expanding more onto the AI itself only. Along with that, they are expanding their offerings into the different departments and different services that they are offering. So that is another piece, including in that. So like we are also seeing ServiceNow moving into the era, or moving into the department where they are kind of exploring the data platform capabilities, but from a department perspective itself only. So you don't need to bring the data into ServiceNow to be able to utilize it. You do not need to copy paste it. You don't need to kind of pull the data, store it in ServiceNow. So you're utilizing storage in two different places. So they are looking into that. They gave a glimpse of the same in our New York trip as well. So they are moving into that. I think you should subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our webinar series to get more information about these things.
Yes, we will, very actively going to talk about what the future is going to look like in ServiceNow. So if you are planning to invest in ServiceNow, or if you are planning, or if you somewhere already invested in ServiceNow, please, stay tuned when it comes to our webinars and our video series, because we are very much going to actively talk about ServiceNow, and will be creating a lot of resources also around it. And I think when it comes to ServiceNow, the community is so active and so inclusive in nature. So a lot of future trends and a lot of innovations that are constantly happening in ServiceNow, you can get to know about them through their community as well. So I think whatever relevant links we will find, we'll be able to drop them down in our description.